Hi guys, today we'll be making Valrhona chocolate Nutella brownies. These are the ingredients and the ingredients list would be listed down below. First, we will need to melt chocolate, cocoa powder and butter over a double boiler. Stir it constantly and make sure everything is melted. Once it's done, set aside. Then in the mixing bowl, whisk eggs, brown sugar and caster sugar for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's pale and fluffy. It will become thicker. Then add in vanilla and the melted chocolate mixture. You can still leave the mixer running on low, but if you're uncomfortable, you can stop the mixer and add the chocolate and start whisking it up again. You can beat it for about 1 or 2 minutes on a medium-high speed until it has come together and it would be quite thick like this. Now sift in the dry ingredients. That would be the flour, baking soda. Use a spatula and fold in the flour till it's just combined. This is a speed up video, so it looks pretty fast, but you can do it slowly until it becomes a thick and glossy mixture. Pour the batter into a 9 or 10-inch square pan. Make sure to spread the batter to the corner so you have a more even batter. Now for this part, it's optional, so if you have some Nutella or peanut butter, almond butter or nuts, you can add it on top, but if you don't want to, you can skip it, but you can't skip adding sea salt. Now bake for 30 to 35 minutes at about 170 Celsius. This is about 30 minutes later and it's done. Thanks for watching.